Drive in style. PASLDA wireless CarPlay, an Android Auto, touchscreen, backup camera, and endless fun. Transform your car into a tech-savvy cockpit with the PASLDA portable wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. Featuring a 7-inch HD touchscreen, this sleek device lets you navigate, answer calls, play music, and more, all without lifting a finger. With advanced voice assistant support, this device ensures safer, smarter driving, giving you hands-free access to essential features. It's time to make your car feel as smart as you are. Compared to other car stereo systems, PASLDA's unit boasts a cutting-edge chipset for faster speed, stable performance, and vibrant video color. Say goodbye to screen lag or choppy visuals. This car stereo is all about smooth and immersive displays. The wireless mirror link feature lets you sync your phone to enjoy your favorite video apps on the go, creating an entertainment hub right in your car, whether you're parked or in transit. The PASLDA screen includes a high-definition backup camera with night vision, ensuring parking is a breeze even in the dark. Unlike standard systems, this camera activates automatically when reversing, offering clear visuals to keep you safe in tight spaces. Combined with its day and night mode for screen brightness, this car stereo is designed for ultimate convenience, giving you a customized and effortless driving experience. With 4 powerful audio output modes, PASLDA delivers a premium listening experience. Use Bluetooth to sync with your car speakers, FM transmission to broadcast through your car stereo, or enjoy the device's own built-in speakers for rich sound quality. This flexibility lets you choose the best setup for your car, so your audio always sounds amazing. It's more than just a stereo, it's an upgrade for your entire driving soundtrack. Built to last, this car stereo offers quality and durability that sets it apart. Engineered for all vehicles from compact cars to RVs, its compact, portable design means it's perfect for any ride. Plus, installation takes just minutes, saving you the hassle and cost of professional setups. Backed by PASLDA's lifetime tech support and a 12-month replacement policy, this is one upgrade you'll appreciate mile after mile.